Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Baseus 100 watts cable, and now we will check these cable specifications. So firstly, I need to connect my cable to the charger, and now I will connect my cable to the tool that can help me to check the specification of the cable. Now I will open the toolbox and I'll open the USB cable, but of course I need to have the other type of source to check the cable. And now this cable must be disconnected, and now we will try to do it. Okay, so let's open the toolbox again. And here in the USB cable I have specification of my cable. As you can see, here I have vendor ID 000. It means that Baseus didn't add the vendor's ID. I don't know why, but sometimes it can happen. For example, Samsung doesn't add vendor's ID too, or of course my tool can't detect it. So it's possible too. And as you can see, the speed of this cable is USB 2.0. As you can see, it's not USB 3.0. Even if it has 100 watts, it just only USB 2.0. Length of the cable 1-2 meters, so I have only 1 meter, so I can help you with it. Max voltage is 12 volts, so this cable can provide only 12 volts, and maximum 5 amperes. Hardware and firmware, unfortunately I can't check, but I think it's not important information because I never see a hardware version of the cable. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.